What is this, Mike? There is a little piece. Really coral, right there.
I want Floridians to realize that it's already gone. What we're trying to do is bring it back.
Mike took me to the edge of a reef to show me coral that had been planted only 2 years ago.
I'm really impressed with the size this coral has grown in 2 years. And it really looks like part of the reef.
Not only did these elkhorn corals plume, but you couldn't tell that we put those corals down.
I get chills when I look at these corals and think about what might be 20 years from now.
There's nothing better to me than seeing a thriving coral that we put down there.
Dr. Kylie Smith is co-founder of i.Care, and as a marine biologist, she studies the health of the planted coral on the reef.
Can you show me what you're doing?
It's important for Chad to see what it takes to do this work. He's going to have the opportunity to work side by side with Dr. Smith, mixing up the epoxy and securing those corals himself.
This is what restoring a reef looks like, and organizations throughout the Keys have planted hundreds of thousands of coral fragments just like this, one at a time.